us in us so free, whispering ways and secrets to be. A rhythm dance, eternal, boundless and wild, nature's own heartbeat, untamed and undefiled. Oh, the sound of the sea, it calls us so free. In every crashing tide we find our destiny. It sings a melody that sets us all in motion, a harmony profound, a timeless ocean. The seagulls' cry melts with the salted breeze as they dance on waves under endless skies. Each rolling swell echoes life's sweet refrain, a lullaby of love whispering through rain. Oh, the sound of the sea, it beckons to me. In its embrace, so vast for what we can see, it sings about both beneath the moonlit glow, a tranquil chorus that in our hearts grow. The foam-capped waves, they break and then retreat, an everlasting rhythm of sea's heartbeat. It sings of dreams lost at the edge of night, and new beginnings with each dawn's first light. Oh, the sound of the sea, it hums a tune so sweet. In its depths we find our peaceful retreat. It sings an ode to life's ebb and flow, a song that keeps us anchored come high or low. Oh, the sound of the sea, it calls out so clear, an ancient hymn carried on wind so dear. In every wave's crest and crew's embrace lies a story ready to take its place. Oh, the sound of the sea, it seems of old tales of seafarers brave and mighty gales. It echoes our fears, hopes intertwined, a timeless tune that's in us confined. Of seafarers brave and mighty gales. It echoes our fears, hopes intertwined, a timeless tune that's in us confined.